Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's the first time here. I am Shauna. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I hope you guys had a wonderful summer. Sadly, it's all winding up and we're about to approach fall autumn. So yeah, I don't know if I'm happy or sad. Let's see. It depends on how autumn is actually, but I really enjoy the summer and I really enjoy the warmer days, so I will truly miss that. Anyways, you guys, so in today's video I want to talk about my natural hair. I want to sort of do an update because I have not updated you guys in quite some time, and I know that a lot of you out there, you have natural hair and you like hearing about new stuff from another natural hair person from one natural hair person to another. So I just wanted to update you guys on my natural hair, what I've been using, and so on and so forth. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. So basically in today's video, you guys, I just want to do like a length check and also update you guys on what I've been using in my hair and what has been working for me, and stuff like that, tips and tricks on how I am growing my natural hair or keeping it somewhat healthy. Now, I did a rice water challenge about 6 months ago, and I have to say that I saw some changes in my hair. When I say changes, I saw some growth, and I also saw that my hair was much healthier. And so I did a month of that, and I decided to kind of give my hair a break because I didn't want to give my hair like an overload of protein, because you do know that it has protein in it, rice water. So I did not want to overload my hair with protein. So today I'm going to be doing sort of a length check, and the last time I did a length check was in February when I started to do my rice water challenge. And I'm going to go ahead and get my tape measure, and I'm also going to compare what my hair was like in February as opposed to now. So let's go ahead and get this tape measure. Okay, so as we measure, you guys, I am going to write it down in my phone so I don't lose track of how long my hair has grown. So basically I'm going to start from the back. Let me start from the back. So I'm just going to put my phone down and start measuring from the back. So let me stand up. So basically the back is 14. Let me stretch that some more. My hair is so dry, you guys, I can barely stretch it. So it's 14. The back is 14. So let's write that down. Back 14. Let's try the sides. And the side. This is the side. $14. That's the side. 14. Let's write that down. Oops. Oh. Side 14. Okay, and let's do the front. So the front, $14, that's the front, 14. And the middle, the middle is 17. All right. Alright guys, so I'm about to compare how long my hair was in February as opposed to now. So in February the side was 12 and a half, now it's 14. The front was 13 and a half, now it's 14. The middle was 16 and a half, now it's 17. The back was 13, now it's 14. So it has grown a little bit, not tremendously, but it has grown a little bit. And I know they say that your hair grows at least half an inch every month, but not for everyone. My hair doesn't grow very quickly, and I'm quite okay with that because it's at a length where I'm able to manage it, as opposed to my hair being all the way down to my waist, and you know that's going to pose such a huge problem. Right now I'm okay with the length, and all I have to do is make sure that I keep it healthy. I am not really concerned about length, you guys. A lot of people are hung up on length, but for me, I am not so hung up on length. I am hung up on how healthy my hair is, and that's what I'm focused on. Now, I've been using a few products that I'm not quite sure how I feel about them, but I actually don't think I'm going to repurchase them. Now, they are from the brand called As I Am, and I'll be using their leave-in conditioner, which comes in a bottle like this. And then I've been using their double butter cream, which comes in a container like this. And as you can see, you guys, I am almost at the bottom of this because I'm not going to waste my money, child. So anyways, I'm not quite keen on these products. They smell really nice and they're quite affordable, but they don't work so well for my hair. So I'll be ditching these. As for my ride or die, you know the deal. You know that I love my Cantu creamy hair lotion, and I always repurchase this because this seems to work really well for my natural hair, and it acts as a really good moisturizer. It's quite creamy, and for some people it doesn't work, but for me it works quite well. So I've been using this all the time. If I use something that I don't like, I always gravitate towards the creamy hair lotion from Cantu, and I also use their conditioner as well. So if I am not shampooing my hair and I'm kind of co-washing my hair, I always use their conditioner, which lathers somewhat nicely. Actually, it's not that bad, their conditioner. And I sometimes use their shampoo, but for me, I'm not that bothered about shampoos because I hardly ever shampoo my hair. Let's see, I shampoo my hair maybe once or twice a month, because sometimes I want my hair to get that really good wash, so that's when I incorporate shampoos. But I'm not that big on shampoos because they can strip your hair and leave your hair quite dry. So I usually just use, you know, mostly conditioners to do my hair. Now, what do I use in terms of hair gel? I use the Eco Styler. I bought this one the other day. It's the argan oil one, and I do not like it. It leaves way too many flakes and it makes my hair really stiff. So I purchased this one and I really like how it works. This is the olive oil Eco Styler gel, and it works really well for my hair. Of course, it leaves flakes and all that white stuff, but not as much as the argan oil. So those are basically what I use. As for oil, I use a lot of grapeseed oil, olive oil. I sometimes use coconut oil. I gave that a break because it was making my hair really dry, so I kind of gave that a break. But oils, it's grapeseed, olive oil, and what else? Another oil that I cannot remember at the moment. But my hair, as for my hair, is quite dry right now. It's time for a wash. And as for washing, I used to wash my hair every week, but I sort of stopped doing that because I get too lazy, you guys, and it's really hard work to wash my hair. So I kind of try to extend it maybe for like 2 weeks or a week and a half. It's a week and a half now and it's feeling really dry and stiff, so I have to go and wash it. And I'm going to be applying my hair mask, which I use maybe once or twice a month because my hair gets really dry sometimes. Like right now, it's really dry. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so stiff. It's almost like it can't move. So I'll be using my mask and I'll be making a video, so I'll insert it somewhere in the video so you can see how I make my mask. So what I use in that mask, I use my coconut oil, I use olive oil and honey. I mix it together, pop it in the microwave for a couple of minutes, and then I use it as a hot oil treatment. Leave it on my hair for about 20 minutes, wash it out, and do my regular hair wash routine, and that helps my hair to combat the dryness. So basically that's it, you guys. I don't do anything special. I am not the person that does, you know, buys a whole ton of products and all that. I used to do that, but I've cut down because I realized that a lot of them don't work for my hair. So there's nothing special that I do to my hair, you guys. It's basically the same old, same old. All right, you guys, so I'm about to go wash my hair and apply my mask. So I am, you know, I can't wait to get my hair looking all nice again. It's looking a bit raggedy right now, and I'm not really sure how I'm liking it. Also, I'll be clipping my hair. I don't know if I should do a video for that. My hair is due for a clip. As you can see, the ends are a bit straggly, so it's time for my ends to be clipped. So I'll be clipping my hair. Whether or not I'll make a video, I'm not quite sure. But yeah, I am quite pleased with my hair. It's not the longest, and you know, it's 4 years in. It's not the longest, but it's somewhat healthy, and that's what matters to me most. So if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to keep my hair nicely moisturized and soft, do let me know in the comment section down below. If there's anything that you'd like to know from me as well, anything more, leave a comment down below. Of course, I'm happy to help you guys. And a lot of you are starting out on a natural hair journey, and maybe you need some tips or tricks or products recommendation. I can help you out with that, so do let me know in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, let me know as well. Go ahead and thumbs up, of course, and subscribe. The button is right down there, so make sure that you tap it, and whilst you're there, tap that notification bell as well, so you don't miss another upload. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if there's anything else, you guys, that I've missed, do let me know in the comment section. All the talks happen in the comment section down below, so let's get chatting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.